Hey everyone, Lennon here, LFI Digital Marketing. So in this video, I just want to go over how you can increase or improve your email reputation within Systeme.io. So obviously I'm logged into my dashboard here. And remember, one of the first things you want to do is set up your custom domain name. Now, if you haven't done that yet, you can go to whoever's hosting your website, Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator, whatever it is. Get your domain, pay for it, and then you want to go in here to Systeme.io. You want to go to settings, go to custom domains, and add your domain. And once you add it, it's going to show the status. It won't be ready to use, obviously. You're going to want to show the instructions. And within here, you're going to go to your host or wherever you got your domain name from and go to the DNS section. And you're going to want to add 2 CNAME records. So for me, it would be my website. I'll put this here. And then for the CNAME value, I would put this. Do not put the period in these. You don't need it. For the other CNAME record, for this one, I'd go all the way here, all the way up to the period. You don't need the rest of it. And then for the value, you take this entire thing over here minus the period. Okay? Now, once you have that done, it's verified. Great, wonderful, fantastic. The other thing you want to do with your emails, you want to make sure that you use an authenticated email, something that looks legit also. You don't want it to be, something like my company at gmail.com or my business at AOL.com, God forbid. Ugh. You want it to be something like, support at blah blah blah.com, yourcompany.com, or your name at company.com, help at yourcompany.com. Not like Gmail, AOL, Yahoo, Hotmail, none of that. Because you want to look valid. Once you have that, you can go in here. You click here to confirm your sender email address. You add it, and then when they send you the email, you click on the link they put in there for it to be verified. Okay? So once that's done, that's going to help, improve your email reputation a little bit. Now, if you've already done all this, or you want further steps, you can go here to contacts, and you want to keep your contact list clean. And what I mean by that is, go here to contacts, click here, and you go to contact state. You're going to want to select the people that have either unsubscribed or bounced. Okay? So these are the 2 that you want to clean up. You want to delete them. Because if people have unsubscribed, that means they are not interested. They don't want to hear what you have to say or send in the emails. They do not care about you. Just going to have to face it. So if they have unsubscribed, it's your duty to delete them from your list. Okay? If they've bounced, it's because they're not getting your email at all. So we go in here to contact state, select unsubscribed. They would all show up here. However, I clean my list regularly. They would all show up here, correct? So let me show you what that would look like. I'm just going to select something else. Remember, you would select unsubscribed or bounced. I'll just do this for now. And you would click here to select all those people that are unsubscribed or bounced. Click here, and you see at the bottom here, big red button, it says delete. You click on delete to get rid of them. You want to keep your list clean, because that's the way these email clients, view you. Like if you have a lot of people that have unsubscribed or have bounced and you still have them, the email clients are going to be like, wait a minute, why do these people keep bouncing? Let's bring his reputation down a little bit. Okay? The other thing is, when it comes to email reputation, you want to make sure that when you're creating your emails, you're not trying to use any spam words, and don't leave an empty subject line. Should be basic, but you'd be surprised what happens. And when it comes to the subject line, you want to make sure that you're not using capital letters. You want to make sure that you're not using spam words like, money, profit, success, cash, bank, things like that. You can find a whole list of spam words for emails online easily. The other thing you want to do, you don't want to include any exclamation points, things like that. Nothing exciting like a hashtag or a star sign or anything like that. It'll just pretty much move your email into either their trash, their spam, or their promotions tab, depending on the email client. And then within the email itself, again, try not to use any spam words, especially when it comes to profit, make money, cash, things like that. Okay? So those are just a few tips that I have for you to improve your email reputation, especially if you're getting like a lot of bounce rates, a lot of, not too many clicks, not too many open rates, things like that. Some of these things should be able to help you. Okay? So, I hope this video has been helpful. If you want to check out Systeme.io, I've left a link down below. They do have a free version of it. I'm doing the paid version because, I started with the free version. I loved it. It's so much cheaper than ClickFunnels or anything else out there, to be honest. And it's an all-in-one marketing platform. So it's not just emails. As you can see, I can create funnels, obviously emails, newsletters, campaigns. I can create my website, aka blogs. I can even create courses in here. So yeah, feel free to check it out. There's a link below to Systeme.io if you want to try it out. All right. See ya.